in shock. I can't believe I can make this with 50 Qatar riyal. That's 1,500. Guys, I can't believe. Hey, come and join us. Wow. Babes, this is super yummy. Wow. Baby, test and tell me what you think.
Wow, this is yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Thank you, CCME, for bringing out this wonderful challenge. At least I am really enjoying it. You are bringing the best out of my wife. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless everything that concerns you. We really appreciate you. Thank you. This is yummy. Thank you, guys.
Just 15 riyal.
Wow.
Guys, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Oh my god. Guys, baby, this is so nice.
This is yummy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite mama, Ada Kings, in the building. So guys, in this video I will be doing the popular CCME can you cook with 1,500 naira challenge. Guys, CCME, she's a Nigerian YouTuber. She's based in Lagos, Nigeria, one of the biggest YouTubers you can ever think of. She challenged all YouTubers to create a meal with 1,500 naira in Nigerian currency. And since I'm in Qatar, the equivalent is 15 Qatar riyal. Guys, this is 15 Qatar riyals. Okay, this is 10 riyal, this is 5 riyal, this is 1,500 naira in Nigerian currency. So guys, I want to see if this 15 Qatar riyal can cook for my family of 3. Okay, so guys, thank you CCME for this amazing challenge. At least it will bring out it will bring out the economists in every woman out there, especially with YouTubers. Let's see how we can manage this money to cook a comfortable food for my CCME. Don't pull our legs with this, you won't get challenge. Oh, I don't want the one I will finish. I don't want to be looking at me to be using 15 riyal to cook all the time. Don't worry, I married a good man. So guys, I will be going to the mall now and I'm going to carry you guys along. Let's see if this cash with me can actually feed my family. So guys, come with me to the mall. Let's go there. Okay guys, I'm at the vegetable section now. I want to get some green vegetables. Okay guys, I've gotten vegetable. Okay guys, I've gotten some vegetables. We're getting some fresh tomato. The gizzard. I will be using some chicken gizzard. I think it's the other way. chicken gizzards. Okay guys, I just bought my gizzard. Okay.
Study announcement.
I just bought
Meeting supervisor Mr. Ringlight. Supervisor Mr. Ringlight. Is the extension 505.
Guys, I'm back from the mall, okay? So let me show you guys the things I bought with my 15 riyal and actually show you guys what I intend cooking with this 15 riyal, okay? So once again, I'm also a very big thank you to Sisi Yemi. Sisi Yemi, wherever you are hearing my voice, if you come across this video, just know that I love you for bringing up this amazing challenge. Actually, I never know I can actually manage and cook with this small amount of money. At least this lockdown, it will help a lot of people to know that they can actually manage their resources, okay, to cook whatever they crave for, okay? At least, thank you once again, Sisi Yemi. I'm so happy you brought out the economist in me that I never know existed. So guys, let me show you guys what I got with my 15 Qatar riyals, and we definitely start the cooking right away. Stay tuned till the end and see this yummy goodness I'm gonna make for my lovely family. Let's go, guys. Guys, this is a list of the ingredients I bought, and this is my list. 15 riyal. So guys, this is my fresh tomato. There is no vegetable sauce without fresh tomato. So I bought 3 big fresh tomato, and that is okay. That is 2.50 Qatar riyal. So guys, that's the fresh tomato, 3 big tomatoes. Okay, I will be making Irish Perero and tomato sauce, vegetable sauce. So guys, this potato is, I want to bring out the price, 80 riyal, guys. That's the potato. This potato is 3.80 riyal, guys. 3.80 riyal is 380 naira in Nigeria, okay? So here is my gizzard. My husband loves gizzard so much in vegetable sauce, so I'll be using this chicken gizzard, and the price is 6.75 riyal. You know it's frozen, they don't put the price. That's the gizzard price, 6.75 riyal. Sorry guys, you guys can't see it well. So here I have my vegetable. So this is 2.10 riyal. This is like 210 naira in Nigeria. Green vegetable. So guys, I borrowed these few things from my kitchen, okay? I borrowed these few things from my kitchen, okay? I borrowed some salt from my kitchen, 2 scotch bonnet pepper frozen from my kitchen. I borrowed 1 onion bulb, and of course my vegetable oil. So guys, let's go right into the cooking process, okay? Don't go anywhere, stay till the end. So guys, the first thing I will be doing is to put my gizzards on fire, okay? So I will be spicing that with some onion, some scotch bonnet, okay? So guys, I forgot to introduce my bouillon cubes, okay? So I will add some cubes, seasoning cubes. I forgot to introduce my seasoning cubes to you guys. So I will add some seasoning cubes to that, okay? Then a little thyme. Remember, it's tomato. That's thyme, guys. I added just a little of this, just a little to enhance the flavor, okay? This is my go-to. I can't cook without this coriander. I love it so much. Then I'll add small curry powder, just little. I'm not a spicy, I don't like too much spicy food like that, okay? Then some salt to taste, okay? And of course guys, I don't cook without my garlic, okay? I must add my garlic, just 1. That's it. We are done. I will put it on fire now and allow it to cook. I'm not adding any water. It will bring out its juice by itself. So guys, that's our gizzard. We'll allow it to cook on its own till it's done. Okay. I'm gonna wash my potatoes, and scrape the back. That's so fast. Allow the water to cover the potato. Okay, just add water at the same size as the potato, and I'm gonna let's allow it to boil. So here is the gizzard, guys. This gizzard brought out this water in it. Okay, it brought out this whole water. So this is how I make my gizzard, and the flavor is everything. I don't add extra water in gizzards. Okay, so guys, I will throw in some vegetable oil. Okay, I've thrown in my vegetable oil. So I'll throw in our onion, our chopped onion. Guys, remember our garlic. Remember, in this kitchen we don't joke with our garlic. Oh, I think that's okay. I want to add a little thyme. I want tomatoes. I already cut fresh tomatoes. Immediately that goes in, our fresh pepper will go in. That's our scotch bonnet. Go in. Add our gizzard. Guys, that's the gizzard. I like my gizzard to dry up with the water. Like I said, I don't add water when cooking my gizzard. Okay, I want everything to mix together, guys. Ingredients I will use is going in now. Of course, my little coriander. Some salt to taste. And my seasoning cube. I will give that a quick stir. Okay, I will give that a quick stir. I will cover and allow it to cook. Okay, meanwhile our potato is still boiling. Guys, at this juncture, let's check what it looks like. Guys, this is so ready. Okay, at this juncture I will be adding my vegetables. That's our veggies, guys. It's thoroughly washed and cut to my desired size. So guys, that's what our food looks like. Please, 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 I'm begging you, hit that subscription button down below. Okay, hit the subscription button down below. Yeah, this is so yummy. So guys, this is what we achieved with 15 Qatar riyal. That is 1,500 naira. That's our yummy sauce, guys. That's our yummy goodness.